Hello, everyone. I'm Kirill, a customer manager at Stripe, and we are continuing our series of webinars with partners. And to start, I have a quick question for you. When was the last time you listening to Vivaldi's The Four Seasons? While you are thinking about it, I suggest revisiting Autumn or enjoying the whole piece again. It's timeless classic in my opinion. And today, we are diving into how Idagio makes discovering music easier. Unlike other platforms, Idagio gives you opportunity to search not just by artist or album, but by composer, soloist, ensemble, and more. They are our clients, and we will be working on an email together as a part of our joint webinar series. And with us today is Kevin. Hello, Kevin. How are you doing today?
Hi, great, great, great. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Glad to see you. And thank you for your answer, Kevin. Could you please share some more information about Idagio that we should to know?
Yeah, absolutely. Just a brief introduction. So, Adagio, we are a music streaming app, but more specifically, classical music streaming. So, we have been around since about 2015, a startup Berlin based, and really focused on, like I said, classical music streaming app.
Got it. So it is like more classic music in your platform, right?
Only classical music. We are only focused on classical music.
Got it. Perfect. Okay, so let's start from my list of the questions that help us to know your product better. And my first question is, how many tracks are currently available on Idagio, and what sets you apart? Sorry.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. So currently we've got about 2.4 million tracks on the platform and growing, of course. And in terms of what sets us apart, you touched upon that, in fact, in the beginning. It's really about how we organize, how we structure our catalog for classical music. And what I mean by that is, whereas other streaming platforms let you search and discover by an artist, an album, maybe track title, that really just doesn't cut it for classical music, where you're going to want to dive in by composer or soloist or ensemble. So, for starters, on Idagio, it's about how we structure the data specifically for classical music to let you dive in. And secondly, it's really about curation, personalized curation. And what I mean by that is we actually have a small team of music experts, musicologists, who are there to sift through all of the new music, the new albums coming through, and prepare that curated selection for our users. And I believe there's no other classical music streaming app that offers that level of detailed curation.
Yeah, exactly. I think so. Thank you so much for your answer and for such great project. I have just a couple more questions, if you don't mind.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. So the second question: what is the key feature of your marketing strategy, and what role does email play in it, and why?
Yeah, sure. First of all, content. Content is king. People, they come to our platform to listen for music. So when it comes to a marketing strategy, it's about finding, determining what is the content, what is the music people want to listen to, and serving that to them at the forefront. Secondary would be, of course, feature adoption, which I think would be the same across many apps, making sure users fully discover that app and understand all of the value added features to build that stronger relationship and therefore retention within the app. And in terms of email, I'd probably say it's our strongest channel in terms of direct marketing, simply because the space it allows for us to tell a story, to present content, and to tell a story. And also for the simple fact that email stays in the inbox can have a longer shelf life. That really helps us get the content, and it's what our users want.
Pretty interesting. Thanks. Let me ask the third questions right away. So, was there an email campaign or perhaps just an email that stood out to you the most, and why?
Um, yeah, absolutely loads. And if I think about it, a good example, and I'm smiling because it's a good example for positive and negative reasons, and it has to do with our onboarding flow, where, as you can imagine, we ask users to state their preferred tastes or their preferred composers. And then in the email series following that in week 0, I served them content specifically focused on what they said they preferred. And I set that up against a B test of more, let's say, popular mainstream classical music like Mozart, Bach, Beethoven. And interestingly or not interestingly, it was actually the more mainstream popular music that performed better. So even though a user is telling us they prefer Rachmaninoff or Stravinsky, at the end of the day, when it comes to what are they going to choose to listen to, it was Mozart. And it's really interesting from a direct marketing point of view, where we believe personalization is the apex and what we should be headed for. Maybe not always, or at least not so early in a user journey where we still don't have enough view, enough data on our users. So yeah, good learnings from that email series in any case.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting in my opinion. And last question, and that will be the start creating of our email. So the question, what are your future plans and how do you plan to delight your audience?
Yeah, from a marketing point of view, it's really about delivering a more immersive experience for them, which includes both because you listen to X, here we think you're going to enjoy Y, so to sort of broaden what they're listening to, and also in terms of the types of content they're engaging with. So we offer value-added content such as an online magazine with interviews with musicians, or also video content, watching concerts online. So trying to get users more deeply immersed into the experience to build that stronger relationship, that stronger bond, and making sure they understand the full breadth of the Idagio product.
Yeah, quite interesting, and I hope all your plans come true soon, and I'm sure your future plans will come true. So now let's move on to the main part of our work today. Based on Kevin's answer, I will try to create a template that is suitable for Idagio company, and you as viewers will see every steps of creating such a template. Also, if you have any questions during the creation, I will be happy to answer you in our webinar chat. So, thanks, Kevin, for your detailed answers. I will get back to you after I finish in creating the template. And maybe if you have some more questions, we can discuss it. Or if you don't have, we can begin the creation of the template.
Fantastic. No questions for now. Ready to get started.
Perfect. So let's begin. Okay, now using the Stripe editor, we will create a template for Adagio from scratch. Earlier, I was sent the images, the text and road design that the company wants to see in the template. And based on this, I will create a template with you. If you have any question while creating the template, be sure to ask me in the webinar chat and you will be provided with an answer. So our first step, we should create empty template. And my advice for your future creation is start to you should go to the general settings and set all these settings. So your creations template will be more easily. Right now I need to make general background color like this. Okay. um, Default paddings I want to make 30 each. Okay, for our next tab, it's stripes. Here I want to change my content background color for black, and font color and link color will be white. Okay, and next one will be footer. So for the footer, it will be content background color this, and font and link color will be white. Okay, next one I'm sorry, will be headings. So here our heading H1 will be max font size, and um, let's check the H2 heading 2 settings. Here I will make our font color white and apply the bold. And I think H3 will be our last setting in this tab, and also I will apply the bold. Okay, and the last one that we need to set, it will be buttons. Okay, first of all, I think I should activate support for Outlook, so we will be sure that our buttons in Outlook will be rendering correctly. Next one, font size for the desktop, I will apply 14. Text style will be bold, and font color I will change for the black. Okay, next one, button color, I want to apply white. I will delete bottom border, and I will delete border radius. Okay, I think it will be all. So let's start create our template. So I will start from our header and footer, and then I will fill the content stripe. So first, I want to add the logo of our company. So I will delete second container and drag and drop the image here. Let's upload our logo. Perfect. And also what I need to do is change our background color, so we will see our logo. Good. And I think we should change the size of the desktop of our image. I will make 250. Okay, and let's apply settings for the padding. I will make top and bottom 25 and left right 20. Okay, so the next one will be footer. Here I will apply our logo and social icons. So let's drag and drop social block. Good. Right now I need to apply settings. So the left container I want to make smaller. Right one will be bigger. And paddings left and right I will make it 30. Okay, next one, what we need to do is apply the logo. Done. And let's apply our social block. So I will delete this and we'll create from scratch. So first one should be Instagram. Let's delete some quotes. Next one will be Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And I need to change the color, so it will be white logos. Perfect. Next one, what I need to do is change the alignment for the desktop. For the social, it will be a right alignment, and I think I should change these two. So I will create like this 100 size for the desktop and change the line for the left. Okay. Next one, I want to separate our text that will be under this structure. So I will drag and drop another structure. We'll upload our spacer. Also, I will delete left and right paddings. Okay, and delete top and bottom for the structure. Yeah, and last one, it will be a text block where our clients can add unsubscribe link, for example. So here, and I will add some lorem text. And let's change text alignment on the desktop here. Perfect. Should work. Yeah, and maybe we will change text size for it. Yeah, let's make it 12. Cool. So header and footer is done. For example, we can add it as a model and recreate this design in another our template. Just drag and drop this model in another template. So if you want to create new model and drag and drop your model from your library, you should go to this step and go to the My Models here. Here you will see all your models. So for my project, I currently do not have models, but let's save this one. It will be, for example, footer. Yeah, save. And right now, if I go to my model settings, here you will see our model. Okay, so let's continue. Right now, we need to fill our content stripe. So I will start from the text to text box. Yeah, then it will be button, and after button it will be an image. So I will create some kind of banner. First I will add this text, listen, watch and learn. I will apply for it H1 paragraph style, and let's set color for it. It should be white. Yeah, cool. Next one, I will add this text. Yeah. Also, I need to apply for this button 14 days free. Yeah. So this text, and let's add image from our repository. So it will be, yeah, this one, banner. Cool. And let's change size of this image for 400. Yeah. And the last one for this structure, what I need to do is add our background image for this structure. It will also be in my repository here. Perfect. And the last one that I want to make with these containers, I want to change the paddings. So let's go to the settings. Here I will delete the bottom padding. Next one, what I need to do, I will apply top and bottom paddings. So for this text block as well. And for last one, I will apply 15 to the top. Oh, yeah, perfect. We have ended with banner. So after our banner, I want to add learn more information for customers. So again, I will go to my empty structures menu. Yeah, I will drag and drop my new structure with two containers, and my structure will contain two text box on the left. So let's make a copy. Then I need to add my learn more button, and here will be an image. Okay, so let's start from image. This one, yeah. Okay, so next one I need to paste my name and change headings for it. Okay, and description. Last one will be button. So here I will apply learn more and change the alignment for the desktop to the left. Okay. Here let's add paddings. Maybe 10 for the desktop, and here also 10 for the desktop. Okay, and for this structure I want to change background color. I will apply it black. Okay, so now we should add two more structures with learn more information. So it will be, my next steps will be the same. So I will apply a new structure with two containers, but here on the left will be an image, and here will be two text box with learn more button. So here text, copy, and also I can copy this button here. Let's upload our image. Perfect. And let's upload name, change paragraph styles for it, and upload our description. Cool. But right now I think we should maybe make this first container with image make smaller and change the paddings on the left. Yeah, and this one will be 260. Yeah, exactly what I need. And right now let's add paddings for our text box, and 10 top, 10 bottom for the description. Okay, or we can even add 20. Okay, and the last one will be same as this one. Yeah, so let's copy it, add here, and change the description, the name, and the image. So here I will paste my another name, another description, and I will upload another image. So just click on the replace image, go to our repository, and I need this image. Okay, but here also I will change our container gap, so I will make it 0, and this one block as the second one I want to apply with these settings and change right paddings. And also, yeah, for our first learn more structure, I need to delete right padding. Perfect, yeah. And maybe for better design, I will change this image and make it smaller. Yeah. Okay, we have ended with the learn more menu. So the next one will be information about playlists. So let's add our new structure. It will be a structure with a text block. Here I will paste my new text, apply H2, yeah, and apply middle text alignment. And next one will be two structure, or one structure with two containers, so it will be like two section with a playlist. So let's drag and drop our structure. With two containers, it will be image, then text, then description and button. I will start adding with button. So here will be playlist. And this one button I want to create with icon. So let's upload our icon from our repository, image repository. Okay, and change the width. And also for this button, I want to apply border. So let's apply 30. Cool. Next one that I want to apply, it will be paddings for our name and description. So here will be 10. On the left side will be also 10 or maybe 15. Let's apply the 15. And for the description will be same settings. Yeah, and let's change alignment for our button and apply 15 here. Cool. So right now we can copy it, paste here, and now let's fill our information. Okay, so I also need to apply margins for the top for our button. Okay, so let's start fill our container. So here will be an image. Then let's paste our name, description. Cool. And next one will be an image with piano. Next one will be name and description as well. Okay, and what else? I want to separate these two content by change the background color of this container. So I should go to settings of our container, apply styles for the background color here. And I think let's add bottom paddings here. Okay, I need to apply it here. And here I will apply background color as well. Okay, and we need to equal these two containers, so I will use for each our spacer block. We'll change our spacer to this mode, and right now it should be equal. Okay. So the next one, we should add our call to action button CO. So we'll add another structure, add the button, and here will be CO. Okay, and I want to make this button bigger. So I will go to the styles, and here for the left and right I will specify 54.5, sorry, and for the top will be 15. Okay, next one, I want to add information about plan that provide Idagio. So it will be brand new stripe. Here will be text block, another text block. Both of them will be alignment on the desktop middle. And let's paste our information. So first text will be H2 choose plan. Next one will be information with 2-week trial. It will be H2 as well. Okay, and let's add another structure with two subscriptions. So it will be like text with the center alignment, another text block, and another text block. So I will copy it here too. I will delete space between them. Okay, and let's fill it with information here. So first one will be a name of our first subscription is Premium Plus. Costs, and this one I want to mention as H2, and per month. Next one as well, I will start from the bottom. Price, and the name of subscription, Premium Plus concerts. Okay. Next one. I want to add information about what feature you will have in both of these plans. So I will add our menu block. I will make it link and icons. And I will need only item 1. Cool. Let's change icon alignment and upload our icon. Cool. And for the first plan, it will be 6 features. So I will copy this menu block. And for the next one, it will be 5 additional features. So I will create a copy. And also I need to add call to action button here. So it will be start free trial. And we will change settings for this button. So I will add padding for the top and bottom. I want to change color that will fit for my background. So in the future, I will change the background for it. Button color will be pink. Text style and font color will be white. And let's change paddings for the desktop. Cool, and let's copy it here. Okay, and next one, for this container, I want to apply background color. So first one will be I'm sorry, I need to go to the container settings, yeah, styles, and here it will be this tone of black. And next one here will be this tone of black. Cool. And right now let's fill information about the features here. So first one will be these all 3 features. Next one will be unlimited ad-free listening. Yeah. Next one will be personal recommendation. Okay, if we are going to next feature, it will be creation playlist with no limits. Next one will be offline listening on mobile device. And last one will be information about audio quality. Cool. Next one, Premium Plus concern. Let's fill information about it. So first one will be all Premium Plus features. Next one will be unlimited access to Idagio concert. Next one will be high-end concerts, operas, dance, and etc. So let's paste it. And next it will be hard curated newsletter, and last one, dedicated TV OS for optimal viewing experience. Cool. So next one, what I need to apply. So I will apply our paddings. So it will be 20 top, bottom 10. Here also I will upload padding, so maybe 10 top and bottom. Okay, and let's apply here too. So it will be 15 top, 15 bottom, 10 top, 10 top, and bottom. And how much was here? It was 10, 10, but I want to make 20 on the bottom. So it will be 10 and 20. Perfect. So our next step, I want to apply our background color. It will be gradient. So in our Stripe platform right now, if you want to upload the gradient, it can be done via HTML code. So you should click on the Stripe here, go to the HTML code, and here I will send an example of this gradient. You need to apply code and you will see the result. Yeah, so this one code I will specify it in our webinar chat, so feel free to use it. And last one, here I want to add spacer, so make it equal. Yeah, and yeah, right now should be okay. So I think we should add 1 pixel. Or maybe 36.5, I think will be better. Yeah. Yeah, right now equal. Okay, we have ended with our subscriptions. So next one will be Idagio magazine. So again, I will apply new stripe. It will be text here, center alignment, and let's fill it with our text and H2 as well. Next to information with the read more links will be like image, text, 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 and text with links. So I will apply again structure with 2 containers here. It will be here on the left image, on the right it will be text. Let's apply paddings here. So for the bottom it will be 5. Let's create a copy. Here it will be 10. Let's create another copy. This one I want to give more space. Okay. And the last one will be text with the read more information. So I will apply brand new without paddings. Okay. And let's copy this structure and let's fill our structure with information. So here I need to upload image, name, the second name, next one will be a description. Okay, and the last one, read more. Okay, and here let's change our settings for the bottom padding, and this one image I want to make smaller, and maybe change the padding so it will be equal for the image. Yeah, perfect. Next one, let's change paddings here too for 5, and let's change image size for 2230. Okay, perfect. And the next one step, what we should to do is upload an image. Here again, fill it with the name of this block. Next one will be name of article. Okay, and small description. And again, read more. Read more text. And here also I need to delete 5 padding. Yeah, and this one design that I want to see. Okay, so next our step will be information with link where we can download application for the App Store and for the Google Play for the Android customers. So here I need to upload new structure. It will be text. Let's change the alignment, and next one will be social. Here will be only 2 social icons, so we will delete this one. Okay, so let's start from the text. It will be H2, and also for this one I want to apply 20 paddings top and bottom. Okay, next one step, I want to separate this container, and I will do it via our styles of the background color. Yeah, perfect. And here let's upload our social icons, so it will be custom icons. So the first one will be App Store, and next one will be Google Play. Okay, let's apply margins, and let's apply icon size, maybe 50 or less. Yeah, nice. And here our template for the desktop version. Let's go to the mobile version settings and create the final design for the mobile and the desktop version. So I want to change size of this image for the mobile. Okay, maybe even less. So yeah, 150 will be good. This one I want to apply both and make it center. Here maybe I need to change font size for the mobile for the bottom for our button. Okay, next one. For my opinion, I think this one image should be first and then description for this learn more. So I will go to the settings of my structure and click on the container inversion. So second one will be good. Yeah. And third one should be applied with the container inversion as well. And also for this one, I want to apply styles. Yeah, now it is more pretty. Okay, next one, it is playlist. Change to the center. Here also change our text to the center. And these two. Here maybe I will hide our spacer for the mobile. Let's change alignment for the center here as well. And last one here, I will change icon size. Again, 150. Alignment for the center. And same for our social icons. Okay, so let's go to the preview and check our results. So as we can see, the top version looks pretty good. Yeah, and mobile version is adaptive and looks good as well. But I think here, what will I change? I will add paddings for the left for the mobile, for the watch on Idagio. Okay, so yeah, for this structure, so we'll go to settings of the structure. Okay, I think I have bad connection, so I will refresh my window. Yeah, and let's go to the mobile settings. And 30 pixels, I think, will be enough. Yeah, perfect. So next one, after you create your template, we advise our clients to create a test, for example, to your Outlook account or to your Gmail account, or you can use our email clients test conducted with the email on asset. And here we will be able to see how our template will look on all platforms. So we can start from the Outlook Office application and also check it on Google Workspace, Windows 10, and etc. And of course here we can check how our template will look on any applications and web devices as well. So let's check how our template will look on iPhone as an example. So let's open, for example, for the 14. As we can see, works really good, perfect. And last one, also what I want to see, it will be Gmail application. Let's check it for Android. Yeah, same, works perfect. So let's back, and here you can see the share button. So this one share button will be really useful for you if you want to share your design with your colleague, and for example your colleague don't have or doesn't have the Stripe account, so you can paste this link to your DM and your colleague will be able to check the live version of this design. So as we can see, creating such a complex template with a heavy design did not take much time since the Stripe platform has all the tools for this. Now let's go back to Kevin and show him the result. So hello again, Kevin. Well, here is our result. Before we say goodbye to our viewers, please share some thoughts. How do you like the final look of the template?
Yeah, Karina, thanks a lot. This is looking great. What I like is this responds to the brief, which was let's make it clear to users what Idagio is, what Idagio does. Let's showcase the different types of content. So I see here, featuring our albums, playlists. We talk about videos. Here you see magazine articles. This is giving a great overview. And most importantly, we've got the clear CTA when it comes to get your 14 free days, subscribe now. For me, this is very clear. I like the way it's obviously, of course, optimized for mobile. Most of our users are on mobile. So for me, it absolutely meets the brief. I'm really looking forward to A/B testing this against our current best performer.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate your feedback, Kevin. So, dear viewers, please share your thoughts in the comments and I will answer them. And thank you for your time, Kevin. It was an honor to have a webinar with you. And today we are finishing the broadcast and waiting for your feedback in the comments. Thank you very much for your time, Kevin and viewers, and have a nice day.
Thank you, Corrado. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.